Hi, Mom and Dad, and Jaju, and anyone else who might watch this. I took the drone out today to record a little bit of video for someone at school, and I decided to just fly it straight up and kind of spin around a little bit to show off part of the city that we live in. So we are in northern Nanshan district in Shenzhen. A couple things to note right away. Almost all the tall buildings around us, including all these comparably short buildings, are housing, with a few exceptions. I'll show you a hospital later and stuff. Most of them are housing. It's one of the reasons the city can hold so many people. Estimates have it at over 20 million inhabitants, although official numbers are closer to like 13 million. So that's just something to note. A lot of them, in fact, right now, the buildings in the middle of the screen are where we live. I'm going to put a circle around our house or our apartment building, and it's about a 10-story building. So a lot of these are in the realm of 10 to 15 stories and then higher. What we just looked at was Tanglangshan Mountain, which is to the to the north of our school. Looking this direction, we're looking straight south, and it's a little hazy today, but that water you can see in the distance is the ocean, and right over the water was Hong Kong. I had the drone, I guess, set up to go to 159 meters, which is where we're sitting at right now. It can do 800. I don't know why I had it automatically. Maybe someone else set it to that, but I'll change it next time. So anyway, as we look around, a couple things to note. Additionally, there's a decent amount of solar panels in the area, although there could be certainly more. What we're looking at now is a hospital and a construction site. I'm not sure what they're building there, but they've been working on it for a while, since the entire time we got back, and they've kind of just made it flat. But they did a lot of drilling, so I think they might have put in some deep pylons. They might build something there in the future. More solar panels. Let's see, again, just lots of housing in the area. There's a community park down on the right, another school over there right ahead of us. Some fairly tall housing buildings right across the street from the school. On the right was the our school's residence building for staff, and then this is our main school building, our teaching building. Some more solar panels. Our outdoor basketball court over there on the left. And this is just sort of a rooftop sitting area. Not a lot of shade here. You can kind of make out our Christmas tree down there. And yeah, so just a quick little tour. I'll fly it around some more and set the altitude a little bit higher. And it's me, wearing my new brown sweater. So anyway, hope you've enjoyed this. Have a great day.